to take the beginner's workshop because I wanted to make a commitment to myself going into the new year to really get refocused and learn the basics and do it the right way and do it the right way for me. So that's why I did it.
There's a refresher for other workshops that I had taken in the past, and we both have an interest in our health, and we're not gym rats, so this is a nice way to do it as a couple.
I wanted to be able to de-stress, get more in touch with my body, but learn the right way of doing it.
It's really awesome. I feel like I learned a lot about myself. I got a chance to just connect with myself.
I think it's great for no matter if it's your first time or any time, just to get back and really understand the fundamentals, breathing, stretching, and the whole theory behind it. I think it's important.
I think that no matter where you're starting from, if you've tried yoga before, because I've tried yoga before and I feel like it still was so great to get a foundation and like reconnect, or if you've never done it before, even that, like anyone could get something out of this.
Great.
So we just kickstarted my practice over again, so obviously I'll be coming back more often.
I can do more than I thought I could, and I have so much more to learn and practice. I look forward to that.